In this video, I will show you how to delete a Napkin AI visual to refine your document's layout and keep your content focused. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take a look at the content I've generated here. I have a list titled The 4 Pillars of a Premium Property Sale. I'm going to scroll through the page just to see how everything is currently laid out. I have a funnel for the pricing section and a pendulum graphic further down for the presentation section. Now, I want to remove this first visual, the strategic market pricing funnel. I'll move my cursor over to the diagram and click on it once. This action selects the visual, which is indicated by the blue border. I'll go ahead and delete this one to clear up some space by using the backspace of my keyboard. With that first graphic gone, I'm going to scroll down further to the Professional Presentation and Staging section. I've decided this second visual isn't needed for this specific draft, so I'll click on it to select it. Then click the backspace again. Finally, I'll scroll back up to the top of the page to make sure my document looks exactly the way I want it. The text flows much better now and the layout feels more balanced. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to delete a Napkin AI visual.